Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Twitch tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to change your name on Twitch. It's pretty simple to do. First I go to Twitch, I click on my profile picture on the top right and select Settings. And here we already find our profile settings where I can change my username. So I click on the pencil on the right and I can enter a new name here. Up here we will find a really important information because you can only update your username once every 60 days. So I write down my new username. And as you can see, at the same time it also checks whether the name is still available. And when I find the right name for myself, I click on Update and now my username has changed. Now you can also see that I can't change my username within the next 2 months again. With this, my name is changed. I also have the possibility to change my display name. However, this cannot be a completely new name, only the upper and lower case can be changed here. Still useful if you don't want to have a name in lowercase letters only. So I could change my first letter to an uppercase and click on Save Changes. And that's all you need to know to change your name on Twitch. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.